we're cooking chicken nuggets in a cook air fryer. First, we'll put the chicken nuggets into the basket. Then we'll put the basket into. Then we put this right here, like that. Set the temperature to 200 degrees and set the time to 10 to 12 minutes. Somewhere around here. Then wait. Then we'll put it inside again and put the temperature again to 200 degrees. And what's the temperature time?
12.
12. Now we've made chicken nuggets and crisp cut fries.